Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do a brief tutorial on how to use the ID survey system. We're going to assume that Zoiper is already installed and configured correctly, as shown in the previous video. So, once you go to the link in the email for the ID survey system, you'll go ahead and enter your username and password. Again, first name, all lowercase, last initial, password is the exact same. And we'll go ahead and log in here. And now once we're logged in, we're going to enter our PBX extension, which is the same number that you were provided by management and the same number that you input into Zoiper when you configured it. As mine is 428, yours will be different. And then we'll go ahead and click Associate Phone, and Zoiper should begin ringing. Here we go. So we're going to answer the call. So it asked me to enter my password. My password is, again, my PBX extension followed by pound. So 428 pound. And now it just told me the agent has been logged in, and I'll go ahead and click Start Working. Now it appears I have reached an answering machine on this call. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and, for answering machines and fax machines, you hit the middle button, voicemail, and it'll start another call. And now sometimes the dialer can take a little bit longer to establish calls, so don't be worried or concerned. So it appears I have reached another answering machine. So I'm going to go ahead and voicemail. Again, it'll start looking for another contact to dial. All interaction should be done with the ID Survey website. The Zoiper soft phone strictly is for listening and talking. There is no need to interact with the Zoiper software after you authenticate your phone. Hi, how are you doing this evening? Is Jason available? I have the wrong number. You have a great day. Sorry about that. So when a survey was refused, we're going to go ahead and click Refused, and it'll bring up a list of reasons. As you can see, there's a rather long list. But it'll simply move you on to the next call. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, my name is Eric. I'm with G1 Research. We're conducting a very brief scientific survey of voters in Utah. I wanted to get your opinions on some political issues going on in your area. I'm not selling anything, and your responses will be kept confidential. Do you have a couple minutes to answer a few questions for me? No problem. You have a great evening. And so we're ready to start the survey. We'll go ahead and click the green button right here and proceed with the survey. And this will go ahead and start the actual survey process. And from here, it's rather self-explanatory. And you just continue to go through until you're finished. Now, if for any reason the caller quits or hangs up, or the call ends early, you can go ahead and move on to the next call with either of these two buttons right here. Again, with the pause button giving you the option for disconnected or to return later via appointment, or the stop button saying they refused and we're no longer interested. I'm going to go ahead and go with refuse since I don't have an actual caller on the line. And it'll move on to the next call. Hopefully this helped.